As you begin this new chapter of your life, we understand that transitioning to a new learning environment can be a big adjustment. Maybe you're restarting your education, are new to online learning, an international student, or transferring here from another college. For many of you, this is your first college experience ever. No matter your circumstance, Plattsburgh will be different from your previous place of study, but we've got you covered. We've been you. We're here to help you navigate this transition and set you up for success. You might already be wondering about what college is like at SUNY Plattsburgh. Maybe you've heard things from your family, from teachers, counselors, or friends. How will I handle the workload or my new independence? Will I be ready when classes start? Or even questions about your very decision to attend in the first place. These big questions and a myriad of others are normal to be asking right now. We have lots of experience helping our newest cardinals to answer these questions, in part through this tutorial series. In our video time with you, we will share a number of key academic realities for you to keep in mind. Some are specific to SUNY Plattsburgh, and others are about college overall. So listen closely and picture yourself doing these things. The more you visualize yourself here and mentally prepare for college, the smoother your academic and other adjustments will be. Many people have guided you throughout your education. You will continue to have ongoing support from individuals here, including your academic advisor. Your academic advisor will be a faculty member in your major and will be assigned to you closer to the start of the semester. Someone with deep knowledge about your field of study. If you are an undeclared major, you will be advised by a professional staff member in the advising office or your access and opportunity program until you declare a major. Advisors help you with degree and course planning, discuss opportunities in your field, and connect you with campus resources you might need outside of the classroom. Many students also have additional support advisors, coaches, and counselors from various offices to help you succeed. If you're a new high school graduate or even coming from some community colleges, you might be used to somewhat structured degree planning. You likely had a guidance counselor who discussed your future plans and was responsible for placing you into the right classes. But once you start school here, advisors will recommend courses for your future semesters, and then you take it from there. You are the one who actually registers for the classes, decides to keep them or drop them, complete them, and monitor your progress. That is a big step in responsibility for some. Your advisor will send email invitations asking to meet with you. Say yes to those invitations and visit with your advisor, especially during a time we call course advisement period. Get to know your advisor in the very first week of the semester, and then feel free to touch base with them anytime you have concerns or need input. Your academic advisor is here to help you, guide, and refer you. But as the college student, you get to have the ultimate choice and responsibility for your own academic path. Before you started college, someone else might have taken care of your academic business, such as reading school notices, filling out forms, meeting deadlines, and making calls for you. That person also had the legal right to receive your report cards. But from your first day as a college student, your education records are protected by a federal law known as FERPA. Under FERPA, we may not discuss anything about your academics with anyone else but you, the student, unless you have officially granted access for specified individuals to view certain information. That permission is filed with our registrar's office. And if you do let others see your grades or course schedule, we still always prefer to speak directly with you because it builds academic confidence and ownership of your degree. So whether you've done college before or this is your first time, it's super important to get into the habit of checking and responding to Plattsburgh email daily. Even right now, try it as practice. Keep on top of your academic announcements posted on your My Plattsburgh portal and in the Daily Student Digest. Learning college policies and procedures, asking questions, and advocating for yourself, they're all necessary skills for successfully managing your academic career. There are many other adjustments related to overall how you spend your time, how you handle new responsibilities, and how you cope with changes and activities of daily life. Most students experience some jitters, have some rough patches, or make rookie mistakes, but they settle in quite nicely and completely thrive in new opportunities. Yet, a decent fraction of students admit that they relied on old habits that they believed would be enough, or ignored critical help when needed or offered, especially when staying on top of things and practicing wellness were challenging. Or some students imagined that they were immune to the common traps and obstacles that are faced by new students everywhere. We asked new students during their first year to reflect on their habits and sources of difficulty. Here are the most common issues they shared. One is time and life management, procrastinating, and attendance. Both face-to-face and online students have said, I misplaced my priorities or lost sight of why I'm really here. I didn't balance things very well. This often happens from not having a plan or following a schedule. Sometimes personal issues take over, or especially since the pandemic, fundamentally not showing up and giving your academic life attention. Second, when you transplant yourself to a new scene with new people, homesickness is normal. However, some students report they became swamped by those thoughts rather than actively creating connections here among classmates, faculty, residence halls, intramural sports, or just hanging out. And those feelings drew almost all focus away from courses. If you think about it, it's a lot harder to feel homesick if you're filling up by participating in programs and fully engaging in the classroom. Next was attention being diverted to constantly messaging, texting, posting, snapping, scrolling, and swiping, or video gaming, or Netflix binges that lasted hours or days with nothing to show for it. Let's be honest, it's difficult to maintain focus and get things done when your work is just sitting there staring at you or is interrupted every minute by phone notifications. The flip side of this was not attending to email notifications from the college, your faculty, your advisor. That should be a part of your daily practice. For both routine things and times of struggle, university staff will reach out a lot. But if we don't hear back from you, we can't lift you out of dilemmas that you might have. And that actually relates well to the last one, which is a big one. When you need help of some sort but never wanted to ask. Struggling with a course, needing an academic coach or tutor. Mental health issues are bad. Social drama, family illness or death. Anything. No stigma, no judgment. If you need something, say something, and early so the college can help you. Asking for help is a sign of wisdom and strength. It's not a sign of weakness. This list didn't come from some generic webpage, and it's not AI generated either. These are nearly verbatim passages written by our students who were appealing their academic dismissal because they unfortunately earned very poor GPAs in their first semester. Now, it's not our intent to scare anyone, but it is our intent to be really real with you. Because if you and we know the common trouble spots, and you and we know what to watch out for, we can prevent things. We want to instill in each new student that Plattsburgh holds so much for you. You belong here. You deserve to have joy and peace and adventure. You can experience and accomplish amazing things, and we support you in every way possible. But please take seriously the wisdom of those before you, that when you envision college, embrace thoughts of valuing yourself, investing yourself, and exerting effort. Because by doing so, you will enjoy yourself, and your Plattsburgh experience will be more satisfying, balanced, and transformational. Starting at a new university may seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset, support, and strategies, you can thrive in your new academic home. And the key to all of it is preparation. Knowledge gives you confidence. Each video in this tutorial gives you a takeaway. It either gives you knowledge or skill or both in some facet of succeeding at Plattsburgh, so we hope you view each one. It is widely said that no one does college alone, and your Cardinal community is here for you every step of the way.